Hello everyone! In this video, you will know about punctuation marks and their uses. So let's start. Full stop. Full stop shows the end of a sentence. Question mark. Question mark shows that a question is being asked. Comma. Comma shows separate items in a list. Exclamation mark. Exclamation mark shows strong emphasis or strong emotions. Slash. Slash is used to separate letters, numbers or words. Quotation marks. Quotation marks show that words have been directly quoted. Colon. Colon introduces the information that comes after it. Semicolon. It connects two complete sentences that are related. Apostrophe. Apostrophe used to show for possession or contraction of the words. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching it and don't forget to subscribe Kids Quest.